Mr. Monstariam is out here in the studio with us. He is a world-known graffiti artist and he's gonna have a workshop. Can you tell us what exactly you're gonna be doing there?
I'm gonna go from like how to actually start sketching it on a piece of paper, to the coloring, to the planning, and then putting it on a wall. And what happens is I'm gonna pick all the best to come with me on this awesome tour around Namibia to spray paint walls all around the villages and stuff like that.
Okay, so let me tell you exactly what I'm doing here. Right now, everybody thinks I'm gonna do the whole artwork and try to train everybody on how to use the spray can, because the spray can is only a technique. The most important thing is, since I'm gonna be traveling with just one person, what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to find out who is a leader, who comes up with great ideas, who can work as a team player, and from this group, I can actually find out who might be the winner. I want everybody to bring their artwork out. You always have to choose somebody that's dominant, okay, to make the piece come out. Then you look at the elements of who's going to be the background person, who's going to be the little elements person, who's going to be the figures. That's why when you work as a team, there's a saying that's called, you do what you do best, I do what I do best. Now, by selecting a color, I don't mean just selecting a green. If you select a green, there's something called shading. The best thing about these colors is there's different shades, okay? What is the dominant part of your illustration? Look at it. You guys have the imagination, all of you do. But the only thing is you gotta just learn how to put it from brain to a piece of paper, and from a piece of paper to a wall.
Sorry, I have to give that hint. But I'm gonna have to say, it's gonna have to be